Hey, Bill Scythe here with BusinessIdeas.Academy. As you already know, I'm passionate about service businesses. In the past, I've created two very successful service businesses delivering value to homeowners. The goal of this site has always been to teach others how to create their own successful service business. And I've written more words than I can count on the subject. But you know what? I think it's time to take it one step further. I'm creating another home services business from scratch, and I'm going to video the entire process to show you how it's done. I decided to do this back in June of 2019, and I've been researching different service business ideas for the last year. To narrow down my search, I gave myself three criteria. The business has to be relatively low startup cost. It must require little training to get started. And lastly, it must be in demand and profitable. Now, after months of targeted research, I decided to create a residential soft wash company. Now, this business has relatively low startup costs. It's easy to learn if you've never done it, and it is highly profitable. Now, the name of my company is Neptune Clean, your soft wash superhero, the king of curb appeal, baby. Now, it's basically a pressure washing business that uses low pressure delivery of cleaning solutions to clean homes without damaging them. Now, we'll clean everything on the home's exterior, including roofs, siding, sidewalks, driveways, decks, fences, patios, outdoor furniture, pool decks, just to name a few. I'm getting ready to build my soft wash trailer, and I'm gonna video the entire process and show you how it's done. Not only that, I'm going to take you step by step through the process of launching the business as I do it. I'll share with you how I came up with the name of the company, its tagline, the cool logo, and the business structure. You'll see what resources that helped me put all this together one step at a time. I'll share my marketing plan that includes a website, a YouTube channel, social media accounts, a direct mail strategy, online advertising, and more. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then go to businessideas.academy and subscribe to my website where you can stay in tune and get notification every time I post a new blog post on building a new service business.